Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bhagavad Gita journey. Today we are diving into chapter 1, Shloka 16, where we'll uncover some powerful insights on leadership unity and the strength that comes from acting with purpose. Let's start with the sacred verse itself. In this verse, Yudhishthira, the eldest of the Pandavas, blows his conch Anant Vijaya while Nakula and Sahadev sound theirs, named Sughosha and Manipushpaka. Each of these actions holds deep meaning, so let's explore what we can learn from them. Here is a closer look at the key figures in this verse. Yudhishthira. As the eldest Pandavas, Yudhishthira is known for his unwavering commitment to the dharma, righteousness. He leads with calm strength, even in the face of great challenges. Nakula and Sahadev, the youngest Pandava brothers, they symbolize unity and teamwork. Their synchronized actions reflect the shared purpose of the entire Pandava family. Divine Kuches. The Kuches they blow, Anant Vijaya, Sughosha and Manipushpaka, represents their readiness for battle, symbolizing their commitment to a righteous cause. Yudhishthira embodies the traits of a calm and righteous leader, unwavering dharma. His commitment to righteousness or dharma is a hallmark of true leadership. Inner strength. His calm and composed demeanor in blowing the coot symbolizes the inner peace that comes from aligning with higher principles. Leading by example. Yudhishthira's action inspired not only his brothers but also his entire army, encouraging them to face challenges with calmness and determination. Nakula and Sahadev showcase the strength that comes from unity, shared purpose. Their synchronized actions demonstrate how the Pandavas are united in their cause, fighting for justice together. Strength in numbers. Their unity shows that working together as allies strengthens everyone's resolve, especially in tough times. Familial bonds. This moment highlights how important family support is during challenging situations, reminding us of the power of strong relationship. This verse teaches us about the importance of preparation and action in upholding dharma. Recognition. Understand the need of justice and righteousness in challenging times. Preparation. Equip yourself mentally, emotionally, and physically to face obstacles with courage and strength. Action. Take decisive steps to do what's right, just as the Pandavas prepare themselves for battle with a sense of duty and honor. Let's talk about clarity of purpose. Align intentions. Make sure your goals are in harmony with your values and principles. This alignment gives your action great meaning. Free from selfishness. Act with pure intentions, free from selfish desires and ambitions. When you focus on what's right, you move forward with confidence. Confident progress. Knowing that your path is guided by higher principle helps you make progress with assurance and trust in process. Now, how do you apply these things and teachings in your modern lives? Calm leadership. Whether at home or work, practice mindfulness and calm decision making to guide others. Unity. Foster teamwork and support networks to strengthen your efforts in any task or challenge. Righteous action. Stand up for your values and principle in your personal and professional life. Clarity of purpose. Set clear, meaningful goals that align with your core values to ensure you are always moving in the right direction.